Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how you can change the order of your Trello lists. It's a simple process, but it can significantly improve your workflow once you understand how it's done. Firstly, open up your Trello board. This is where all your lists live. Changing the order of your lists allows you to prioritize your tasks, putting the most important ones front and center. Now that we've opened our board, simply click on the list you want to move. Hold down the left mouse button. This step is crucial because it allows you to grab onto the list, preparing it to be moved to its new location. Next up, drag the list to its desired position. The reason we do this is to reorder our lists, placing them exactly where we need them to be. You'll see a gray placeholder indicating where the list will land when you release the mouse button. Let me explain why this matters. By moving around your lists, you're customizing your board to match your workflow and priorities. It is a simple yet powerful way of visually organizing your tasks. Finally, release the mouse button to drop the list in its new position. This confirms the move, setting the list in its new place on your board. The list will stay in this position until you decide to move it again. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello automatically saves the new order of lists. There's no need to hit a save button or worry about losing the new order if you close the browser. In just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the order of your Trello lists, contributing to a more efficient and personalized workflow. It's a small change with a big impact, allowing you to tailor your Trello board to your exact needs. And that wraps up today's tutorial on changing the order of Trello lists. Now, you're all set to customize your Trello board to match your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep your tasks organized and your workflow efficient. Until next time.